Dream, dream, dream. Dream transform into thoughts, and thoughts result into action. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. I dream to be a good communicator and great leader. So, without delay, I have joined Toastmaster Club to fulfill my dreams by enhancing the leadership skill, communication skill, and to overcome my stage fright. I divided my life story into three parts: school life, college life, professional life. School life. I am Anand. I was born in Vellore. When I was studying grade 5, my parents decided to change my school from matriculation to state board. Yes, they are not afford to pay school fees. I am a kind of student who studied well and get good scores in all subjects. Like everyone, my father is my role model and a real life hero. He used to say that good student will study in any school and succeed in life. In 6th standard, I get into a new school with a very large playground and huge buildings. School gives me three things: a good friends for my life, great teachers, and life lessons. During my childhood days, my father often talked about Abdul Kalam, that he is a candor, a visionary leader, and about his dreams. His thoughts and visions really touch my heart and inspires me a lot to dreams. On 8th July 2002, my father called and informed that President Abdul Kalam is visiting to Kanchipuram and asked me to come from Vellore to Kanchipuram, and I accept with alacrity. I was flabbergasted, exuberant, and jubilant to meet a missile man who ignites millions minds of youth. Finally, I met a man very closely. College life. College life is a part of life. It relives in our memories till our last breath. With lot of aspirations and dreams, I decided to pursue a mechanical engineering, AMA College of Engineering, Kanchipuram. During my first semester, I got infatuated with a girl and dreamed to marry her. But I keep reminding myself that I am here to study and to succeed in life, not to get distracted and perplexed. I dream to have a good job in MNC before I step out of the college. With my tremendous perseverance and hard work, I got placed in MNC company as I dreamed. After getting job, I feel something missing in my life. Yes, I decided to propose a girl whom I got infatuated, and she accepted, and I was in cloud nine. Professional life. I worked in Smith Minerals in Chennai for few years and dreamed to have a job in abroad. I got job opportunities in abroad and decided to take my new role in Singapore. Meantime, we both convinced our parents and we are happily married and started our new life in Singapore. In Singapore, I was inspired by his founding father, Lee Kuan Yew, by his sharp thinking, brilliant intellect, adroit administration, and relentless pragmatism, which inspires me a lot. On 23rd March 2015, Lee Kuan Yew died. The government has declared public mourning. I decided to pay last respect with one of the greatest leaders of this century. After standing of almost 8 hours in queue, I paid the last respect in Singapore Parliament House to Lee Kuan Yew. Later, I relocated to Chennai and got job in L&T. In every part of my life, once I was dream and tried to reach my dream with my tremendous perseverance and will. To succeed, you must have tremendous perseverance and tremendous will. At, I will drink the ocean, says the persevering soul. At my will, mountains will crumble up. Having that sort of energy and that sort of will, work hard and you will reach the goal. A quote by Swami Vivekananda. Thank you for providing wonderful opportunity to break my ice. Last but not least, this lockdown gives me wonderful insights about Toastmaster, and I strongly believe that I will harness this platform to improve my leadership and communication skills. Back to you, Toastmaster.